On New Year's Eve, we took no regrets up to Pattaya to get ready for the fireworks show. In Thailand, it's common to release hot air lanterns lit by a small flame, but many of them caught fire and crashed into the sea, sometimes uncomfortably close to our boat. We had to stay on high alert, ready to put out any potential fires. At midnight, we witnessed an absolutely breathtaking fireworks display lighting up the entire bay, a spectacular sight we'll never forget.
Bloody hell! Jeez! Oh, find it! Oh, what's wrong with it? It's mental! Wow, out!
Unfortunately, we had unknowingly anchored on an unmarked fishing net. During the night, a fisherman attempted to recover it, but in the process, he wrapped our anchor chain multiple times before finally cutting it free.
Oh, it needs some more work.
Yeah, it's heaps. He just cut it.
Oh, look at the shit that's in it too. Oh good, it's got some sinkers and some rope. I love the rope.
He didn't lose too much, did he? He wrapped it around our flat thing. We got to get it unwrapped. Yeah, there. Yeah, nearly.
Push them over. Watch out for those, because they...
Where's those? The razor? Dead razor.
Yeah.
The engine noise you hear is his long tail motor, and yes, it really was that loud in the middle of the night.
It's still coming, buddy. We're nowhere near the end.
I collect lots of stuff. Chris will want something and I'll go, I've got something for that.
Yeah, keep straight on the chain.
You're right.
Ready? Go. Jeez, don't drop it. Fuck us to the other end. Alright.
Go away, over.
Next, we had jet skis zipping around, using our boat as a turn marker, buzzing past at high speed and way too close for comfort.
Alright, got one more. Ready to lift it out? Alright,
It's alright.
yacht step.
If you fall in, Dante, I've got you on film.
Oh, hell yeah.
You alright?
Okay.
Okay, I'm good. Keep going up and go to the front. Alright, coming. A bit more. Ready, go. Okay, I'm up. Let's go. One for you, one for
So that was a flooring before, and this is the Watermakers.
the memories.
Hello.
One Watermaker.
Yes, please.
Pass that. Yeah, we'll pass you yours. You got it? Yeah, I will, but you walk back first. Yep, so. Oh, come on. Okay. get a tape measure on it and make sure it fits.
We made a dedicated video on our Watermaker installation. You can find it here using this link.
You're loving it, aren't you?
That is sexy. That's a 70s boat. It's our new sexy flooring.
We've changed the colour.
I've just bought a cheap poly tarp and we're templating our cockpit floor. We're going to try and do this in one piece with no joints. So yeah, the roll will be running across the boat, not along the boat, but I've got to have a look at the grain first to make sure it doesn't look wrong. But that's our goal. So alright, you've got to template it out and then transfer.
Yep.
So yeah, that's definitely going to make it easier. We just take it out, unroll our mat, peg it to the shape, trace it round with our special pencil, cut it out, done. Just as simple as that.
But it is pretty.
Okay, I'll trim all these. Is that what you want?
Thank you. It's a lot of grunting and groaning.
It's not my favourite position.
Really?
And you know that from when I cut the strips here from the last job.
So laying on your stomach isn't your favourite position. On your hands and knees is?
Maybe my back with it. You don't want white and blue? Oh, yep. Almost finished cutting. Okay. That's the last cut. It's time to lift it on. Well, finished cutting out our floor mat. We've got it in one piece. And we're going to start putting the binding edge on it and wrestling it. But I think we're right. I think we'll be able to do it. Alright. Get the big roller binder. Bit harder than the oh, like a glove. I'll put the needle there. How much? Our floor's all done. We've edged it with our binding lure attachment. Very happy with it. It's a nice and spongy underfloor. This is the HD, which is the thicker backing. But if we chose it again, I'd probably agree with Jo and go with the lighter colour that she wanted. When this is in the sun, it gets damn hot underfoot, uncomfortable that you can't stand on it. But
No, it's not uncomfortable. It's just warm. If you got
it's hot. It burns your feet.
If you've got sensitive feet, it burns. But if I can stand on it, it's okay.
It's a bit hot.
It's hot.
So, but yeah, slightly lighter would be nice, but we do love the colour. So this is Mushroom, and yeah, we got this from Marine Projects Asia, Bob Mott.
And we went for the fleck colour to hide any marks like fat stains or something that drips on it, fish blood or whatever that might be on it, that it's just make it easier to hide.
But it's lovely. This morning's job, we are pulling all our anchor chain out and we're putting in our anchor chain markers. So we have not gone with a chain counter. Would be a little bit handy, but we don't overly use it. Normally I'm letting the anchor chain down from the front and the gauge is at the back. So it's not a lot of value to me. So
for us, we've gone with these lovely colour coded lengths from Anchorite. They're the best we've found. The rubbery ones that we tried before used to get knocked out in the sand. So let's start today and we'll start whacking them in. So I've already set up my colour plate, how I'm setting them up. Red for when it's coming to the end, style it down, because it's almost at the top. But yeah, we've got markers up to 90 metres. So let's start whacking them all in. So here's our 5 metre marks. What we're going to do is put 2 whites in every 5 and then our primary colour for every 10 metre mark. So here we go, put them in. Not dead tight like I thought they'd be. Okay, they're a little bit loose. Right. Yep, so that's one that way and one the other way. Our theory being when it comes up, we'll always see one no matter which rotation that link's on. Let's put our red one.
How many of those you putting in?
All 5.
How do you put them, like all in a row?
Alternating.
Yeah, but in all together.
Yeah, all as a bunch, so that when it comes up, you cannot miss it. And the 5s are just for a reference, so I know when I'm at half metres.
You don't leave any as a spare backup in case they break or come out?
It's supposed to be good and never fail.
But if they
If
don't?
they do, we'll contact Anchorite and say, hey, but I think they're fine. On.
Where do you stand normally?
Over there.
So it should be on this side?
No, too low. It's only tape, we can always move it. And there she be.
There you go, another job done.
We're getting close to ready to go.
I'm enjoying this shopping. We're in a screw and bolt shop and I get given a beer while I sit here. Can't whinge, can we?
Got everything here.
They have got heaps, so, but I'm loving the fact is I get a large singer while I wait.
You beer while you wait.
I know.
20 millimetres, 20 off. And look here. Yep, she did. 35, 40 or 50.
Everything's so organised. It's all grouped together.
So that 2316. Everything up front through.
Yeah.
So this morning we're having a haul out. We're just getting our anti-foul touched up. We had a little bit of a scratch in it from the lifter. Our first overseas haul out. Yeah, they're lowering, Joe. Oh yeah. She's tight. Yeah, you're looking good. What? He wants us to back. We got to spin.
How do we get the props and stuff over the...
They all clear over, they're lower. Alright, so just hang on. So they've not wanted us to go in forwards, we're just having to do a quick spin on the spot and we've got to reverse it in. So this is going to be even more exciting and challenging. So one swing there. Where's this sling? So we're looking for the sling positions. We're missing a sticker on that side. So
this one needs to come because the sling's here.
yeah, that's close. Can't go too far back. We're in the spot anyway because the topping lift, the line here that holds the boom up, can't hit the top, but I've ran far enough now, so we're good. always the nervous moment.
That was a bit stressful.
Yeah, the slings aren't quite in the right position, but so the reason No Regrets was hauled out is we just had a couple of spots on our anti-foul that was just marked maybe by the crane when it went in last in the dark, unfortunately. So as a sign of just how good the warranty systems are with Seawind, this is why we've been hauled out, and we've had the anti-foul touched up and reapplied, and she's looking brand spanking new. So you got to give the thumbs up to Seawind on their warranty. I think they exceed all the other manufacturers. So while we were on the hard, we did take the opportunity to give her another polish. It wasn't too bad, it was pretty good, but the boat next to us had just been polished, and we thought, well, we didn't quite meet that standard, so for a new boat we've given her another polish. But now she's beautiful and shiny. You can see the reflection of the other boat alongside us coming up in the hull. What? With our final maintenance task complete, we were ready to set sail and begin our next adventure, departing Thailand for Singapore.